WDSU first warning weather. Did you get a little rain this morning? Well, at least most of us did. There wasn't a whole lot of it in the farthest areas north shore as you went to the border with Mississippi. But right now we look outside, and if you look south, you got some cloud cover. If you look north, clearing skies. Here's the satellite and the radar together to show the wave of rain that moved through. Main area of low pressure that actually had some stronger storms remained well offshore. As we zoom a little farther, you're going to see that that system is actually going into Florida right now, and we've got that clearing skies. Before the arrival of our next system, you can start to see way west just a few high in the sky clouds. So that means in between this one that just passed and the few leading clouds of the one to come, we've still got a pretty nice day. That's not to be lost. Real-time temperatures with that sun that did pop today, didn't get much cloud cover, and the winds that were still strong through today to hold, so it was a bonus day in my point of view. We got to the upper 50s, even a few of us hit 60. Those winds still a little bit breezy in some cases, around 10 to 15, and that's wind averaged over a couple of minutes. But as we work through the evening hours, and especially overnight, those winds will start to relax. So here's the setup for what's to come. System is east of us here. Got a little bit of a chill that's in the air, and it's a cold start to it. Got another potential light freeze north shore, some frost, but there's the next system to come through. And note the area of low pressure here at the ground to where we are in that leading warm front and trailing cold front. If we get in that warm sector, it could be some stronger storms. I've been mentioning this. Clearing skies, winds start to relax a bit. There's that light freeze, possible frost north shore. Look out. Don't think that's possible here south shore. The only areas that I do look out to maybe Belle Chasse, Houma, where you got maybe a little bit of a cooler air that could go if we get those winds to relax for you too. Plenty of sun tomorrow, not as breezy. Temperatures working mid to upper 50s. Got a note here, if you're thinking about doing some recreational boating, getting out to fishing, there's still a small craft advisory through late tonight, but we'll start to have a pretty nice day tomorrow. Unfortunately, the tidal range is kind of really low up at Neap Tide Den. Let's track the rain on Friday. We start off Friday morning okay, as opposed to the morning drive that wasn't so great. This one's going to be the evening drive on Friday, heading into the weekend after the short work week and even school week. By 1 o'clock, starting to find these showers and possible storms. You look at the heavy nature of the dark reds and maybe even dark red, the red and dark red showing up in our guide. That's noting heavier storms right here through the 5 o'clock hour. So 3, 4, 5 is the timing right now. Could be some pretty hefty rain, dropping a quick ½ inch to 1½ inches, maybe 2 inches if you get some heftier storms. Now the temperatures will be warmer out ahead of those storms, so there is this very low level risk that a storm or two could be severe if that warm front works through. So right now that I see the threats is mainly heavy rain, but there is a little bit of spin if it makes its way on shore to give us a weather impact day for some weekend variety possible tornadoes. But into Saturday into Sunday, don't forget that we've got a great weekend, as we've had at least stormy weekends all through December. This one should be nice. I'm just looking for a few clouds, but we got to look at Monday. This one is a very strong storm system moving our way. And you see we're right in that warm sector, south of the warm front, ahead of the cold front. Right now, we already are under a risk of storms being possibly severe. So we got a couple weather impact days, but really the storms Monday are the one we'll be focusing in on that could cause some problems. WDSU first warning weather, 7-day forecast, chilly tomorrow morning and cool during the day. Watch for the storms Friday evening, but I think we have a pretty good weekend before the Monday storms arrive.